Greetings from First Providence PM. That's property management. This episode, we want to talk about what do you do when you have bad tenants. First thing I do is pray, please hope they leave and get out of there without tearing up your property. But there are some things you need to do. Number one, I advise you to look over and review your rental agreement. That's going to come into play down the road here. Number two, you want to not take partial payments. Do not take partial payments because it puts you in a position where you're now negotiating when you're going to get the rest of the money. So try not to take partial payments as possible. Maybe try it once. Next time, no. Do you want to do that? Next thing is you want to send your 5-day notice right away. Pay or vacate notice. You want to send that right away. Even if they don't vacate, even if they pay, you already have sent that notice and you want to immediately go and start the unlawful detain them. Sorry, you want to do that right away. Go to the courts and file the paperwork for that, even if they pay on a day of, because you want to put yourself in a situation where you can activate it extremely quick. You want to do that right away. Next thing you want to do is you may want to consider this here. Offer cash for keys. What is that saying? Even though they haven't paid you, you're willing to give them $500 or forego you giving them their deposit back of $1,000 just so they vacate the property. Why do I want to do that? Because they're going to do much more damage the longer they stay there and the time that you wing it out. Now, when you do that, you want to give them a specific date when to be out of the property, and they'll get that money when they're off your premises. That makes it a lot easier. You want to start communicating also in writing by text, not by phone. We don't want to get into that. He said, she said, that lady said, like, who's that lady? You don't want to get into that. You want none of that. Now, you will have some tenants who are very clever. That's why I want to share this information with you. The information I've given you so far, get on it right away. Don't waste time. You have some tough tenants out there and there are scammers out there, and then you have some good tenants. Thank you again for listening to First Providence PM. Have a wonderful day.